people! How are you today? Today we're going to make these earrings, and these earrings are called Angelic Glitz. These earrings are very easy to make and also easy to make for beginners. These earrings were inspired by my latest video, the Angelic Glitz bracelet. I will leave a link down in the info box to this video. I hope that you will like this project and happy beading! So the materials that you will need. You will need something to cut your thread with. You will need some Superduos, some 11/0 seed beads, some 8/0 seed beads, some 4mm beads, a size 10 beading needle, 2 6mm rings, a pair of ear hooks, a pair of pliers and some Fireline. So let's start. We're going to start by threading our needle with about 60 inches of Fireline. And we're going to pick up 1 8/0 and 1 Superduo. And we're going to do that until we have 6 Superduos and 6 8/0s. And we're going to slide them down our thread. Now we're going through all these beads one more time. Now we've gone through all the beads one more time, and now we're going to make a knot here. So it's a little bit more secure. And now we're going to step up through the next beads. So I'm going through the next Superduo, the next 8/0 and the next Superduo. And pull. Now I'm going to turn my work around. So I'm now facing out of this Superduo and I'm going up through the same Superduo but the second hole. Now we're going to pick up 1 Superduo, 1 8/0 and 1 Superduo, and now we're going through the next top hole of the next Superduo and pull. And now we're going to do that all around. Now I added the last set of beads and now I'm going through the next Superduo. And I'm turning my work around. And I'm going up through the same Superduo but the second hole. And I'm going to pick up 1 8/0 seed bead. And I'm going through that next Superduo. And now we're going to pick up 1 4mm. And we're going through that next Superduo and pull. And now we're going to do that all around. Now I've added all the beads and I'm going through the next 8/0 and the next Superduo. And then through the 4mm. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the like button. Now we're going to pick up 1 Superduo and 3 11/0 seed beads. And slide them down. And now we're going through that second hole of that same Superduo that we're coming out of. And pull. And give it a gentle tug. We're going to pick up 1 8/0 and 1 Superduo and then 3 11/0 seed beads. And slide them down. And now we're going back through that same Superduo that we're coming out of, but the second hole. And then through the 4mm bead. And give it a gentle tug. Then we're going through the next Superduo and the next 8/0. And the next Superduo. And then the next 4mm bead. And then we're going to do the same as we did here. So we're just going to repeat that all around. Now we've added all the petals. And then we're going through the next bead. So we're going through the next Superduo and the next 8/0. You can find the written version of this pattern in my Etsy shop. And then through the next Superduo and the next 4mm bead. And now we're going through the next Superduo. So not through the seed beads, but just through the Superduo. And pull. And then we're going through that same Superduo and the next 8/0. Like this. Then we're going to pick up one 11/0 seed bead, one 4mm, one 11/0 seed bead, one 8/0 seed bead, one 11/0 seed bead, and slide them down. And now we're going back through the 4mm and pull. And we're going to pick up one 11/0 and we're going back through that same 8/0 in the opposite direction. So we're coming out of it in this way, so we're going through it in the same direction, but we're going through it the other side. So there's an 11/0 here, and by going through it like this, we also get an 11/0 on the other side. Like this. And then we're going through the beads like this. So we're going through the next 11/0, through the next 4mm and the next 11/0 and pull. Give it a gentle tug. And then we're going through the next 8/0 and the next 11/0.
Subscribe for more beading videos.
Then we're going to pick up 4 seed beads, so 4 11/0 seed beads. And we're going through that on the same side, that next 11/0. And pull. Then we're going through the 8/0 and pull. And we're going up through the next 11/0. And then we're going to pick up 4 11/0 seed beads. And we're going through the next 11/0 and the next 8/0. Then we're going to pick up 3 11/0 seed beads. And we're going through that same 8/0 in the same direction, like this. And we're going through these beads one more time. And we're going back up through the next 2 11/0s and pull. Then we're going to pick up 8 11/0 seed beads. And then we're going through that same 11/0 in the same direction and pull. I'm going to turn my work around. I'm going up through the next 2 11/0 seed beads and pull. Then I'm picking up 1 11/0 seed bead and I'm going through the next 2 11/0 seed beads and pull. And I'm going to do that one more time. So I'm picking up 1 11/0 seed bead and I'm going through the next 2 11/0 seed beads and pull. Then I'm picking up another 11/0 and I'm going through the next 3 seed beads.
Follow me on Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram.
And pull. Now we're going through the beads one more time. So I went through the beads one more time and then I'm going through the next 3 seed beads. And pull. And now we're going to make a knot here. So I'm going in the loop with my needle and pull. And then before I pull it all the way through, I'm going through the loop with my needle and then make a knot in that way in between the beads. And then I'm just going through the beads one more time and then I'm going to cut my thread. When you cut off your thread, you're just going to make the second earring and then you're going to add your rings and your ear hooks and then you're done.
If you made this project, I would love to see a photo. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye!